Ya efeknya banyak sekali ya Bu, kayak semacam dari ya batuk-batuk, gatal-gatal gitu. Terus ya tiap hari ini kita harus ngebersihin gitu ya di lantai-lantai itu debu semua.
Kita lihat yang terkait dengan infeksi saluran pernafasan itu ada 18%. Terus kemudian gangguan mata itu ada 8%, dan gangguan kulit 10%.
Got on my leather jacket thriller, the show ain't nothing iller. Man, I'm a lady killer, if I want her, I'ma steal her. I promise I can make her fly away like caterpillars. Got on my leather jacket thriller, the show ain't nothing iller. Man, I'm a lady killer, if I want her, I'ma steal her. I promise I can make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Just give her, you got no hold, not no sliver. All day I keep drinking whiskey straight until I got no liver. Cold like bruh, make you shiver. Snatching bitches, leave you bitter. I see what I like, then I just go get her. Lady killer, get familiar, yeah. I respond to what I like. Swear this shit goes down like every other night. Man, I fucking love this life. Put it down and these hoes say they love the pipe. No, I'm not the bring back to your mother type. No, off that whiskey 101 proof. I'm just mixing out with vermouth. She'll be taken if you're aloof. We just fucked on top of that roof. This is real life. These ain't just no raps I kick in the booth. Everything. Then she's gone. Addicted, don't know what the fuck I'm on. I can't stop it when I feel it coming on. When we chill, it starts with smoking something strong. Take her down and then she'll be the surface that I'm coming on.
Got on my leather jacket thriller, the show ain't nothing iller. Man, I'm a lady killer, if I want her, I'ma steal her. I promise I can make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Just give her, you got no hold, not no sliver. All day I keep drinking whiskey straight until I got no liver.